today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a manual portfolio in Stock Rover. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set up a clean, accurate portfolio that mirrors the holdings you already track elsewhere, so your analytics and performance views make sense from day one. First, you'll open the Portfolio Creation menu. Look at the navigation panel on the left side of the screen and locate the Portfolios folder. You can right-click that folder and choose Create a New Portfolio. If you prefer menus, you can also use the Portfolio Actions menu and select the same option there. Both paths lead to the same setup window, so just pick the one that feels natural. Next, give your portfolio a clear, descriptive name and set the start date. The name should help you recognize it at a glance, like distinguishing between a retirement account and a trading account. The start date determines the historical window Stock Rover will use when calculating performance and charts. If you're migrating an existing account, choose the date that best reflects when these holdings effectively began for your tracking purposes. If you want longer performance history, pick the date that matches when you started these positions. If you want a clean slate from today forward, choose today's date. Now it's time to enter your positions. Choose Enter Positions, and you'll add each holding one by one. Start with the ticker symbol for your stock, ETF, or mutual fund. As you type, you'll usually see suggestions, which helps you confirm you've got the correct security. Then enter the number of shares. Use the precise quantity you own. If you hold fractional shares, include the decimal. Finally, enter your average purchase price. This is your cost basis per share, averaged across all purchases of that security. If you've bought in multiple lots, use the weighted average price you track with your broker so your gains and losses are calculated correctly. Take a moment to double-check tickers and prices before moving on to the next position, because accuracy here drives reliable analytics later. When you've finished adding everything, click Save to finalize your manual portfolio. Stock Rover will create it instantly and place it inside the Portfolios folder so you can open it and review the holdings. If something looks off, you can revisit the positions and correct the share counts or average prices to keep your data consistent. That's it. You've created a manual portfolio in Stock Rover, named it clearly, aligned the start date with your tracking needs, entered your positions with tickers, shares, and average purchase price, and saved it for immediate analysis.